Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming to you live, hair laid, bare face, and I got me a ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys how exactly I get my hair so sleek, how I get this sleek low ponytail nice and neat, and it can last you for forever. I have been dying and gagging over protective hairstyles. I have kind of like backed away from wigs. You know, y'all, if you watch my channel, you already know. Kind of backed away from wigs a little bit. I've been dibbing and dabbing them back just a little bit, but protective hairstyles have just taken my heart. Like, I don't know, I just love them. So I want to try literally everything, but today I'm showing you guys how I got my sleek ponytail, and I have featured this on my Instagram and you guys asked for it, so here we are. Okay, so to achieve this I did use extensions from AmazingBeautyHair. I'll get into more detail about them throughout the video, but yeah, you guys know I worked with them before and I absolutely love them. So we're back again to show you a different set of, kind of the same set of clip-ins but a little bit different and more suitable for this hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get into it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like this video because it really helps a lot. Like, I don't think I understand how much likes matter, but yeah, make sure that like button works and hit it really hard, okay? And make sure you guys put in your post notifications and follow your on Instagram at Kaila Kake, and I will see you guys in like 2 seconds. So peace. All right, so just wash my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start to part my hair. Since I'm doing a middle part, I'm just gonna part it. It doesn't have to be perfect right now, but does anybody else have like a permanent middle part in their head or a part somewhere where they like always part their hair? I'm over here saying it's not that serious to get it straight, and I'm literally trying to get it perfect. Like, girl, perfectionist things. Okay, I'm gonna detangle my hair, but first I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. This is by Lovely Bees. My hair, girl, loves this stuff. Okay, so to be honest, if you're watching, this stuff is fire. Like, it's literally so fire. So I'm gonna put that in my hair, just on the ends though, because I'm gonna be putting gel on this area, so I don't want it to like turn white or ball up or anything. And that's not with just this leave-in conditioner, it's with a lot of leave-in conditioners that I use. When I kind of like mix it with gel, it just starts to like ball up and turn white, so I just keep it basically like on my ends. All right, now I'm gonna take my dimming brush and detangle. And y'all, my hair is extra nappy. Okay, I haven't brushed it in like 85 days, so and if your hair is thicker than mine, you might want to detangle in like smaller sections. Luckily I can just like do my whole head, but some people with like, you know, thicker hair or more coarse hair, feel free to do it in sections because you want your hair to be as detangled as possible so it can be as flat as possible, as laid. Okay, we don't want no lumps, no bumps, no nothing. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna perfect the part. Even though it looks straight, I don't know, I'll be parting my hair like 80 times to get it like super straight. I'm gonna go ahead with my gel. This is the Eco Styler Argan Oil. I use a lot of gel, so if you don't like using a lot of products, sis, you definitely don't have to, but I like using a lot of gel because I like my styles to last for, you know, a little minute. And don't forget that kitchen girl, okay? Get up in there, make sure she is nice and slick. All right, so I'm gonna take this like hard brush and just start brushing the hair. Since we detangled it this way, it's easier to slick. So I kind of killed 2 birds with 1 stone by detangling it, and like while I'm detangling it, I'm brushing it the way that it's gonna go, so it's easier to slick down. I also like to alternate between brushes just to get it, you know, really laid. All right, so I got it pretty sleek, so I'm gonna start to put it in a ponytail. All right, so my ponytail is gonna go like right here, so I'm gonna take my little scrunchie. All right, so I'm going to detangle it one more time. It's basically dry now, so it's like super poofy. My ends dry like that. It's just everything else on my head takes 85 hours to dry. But I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it. Just a simple braid, nothing crazy. Now you can do a twist if you don't know how to do a braid, but y'all, braids are so easy, let me tell you. There's so many like videos on YouTube, but you want to have something that's like sturdy, so I feel like a twist won't work unless it's like really sturdy and tight. And also, if your hair is shorter, you can always add braiding hair to make your braid a little longer. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little rubber band and I'm gonna secure the ends. All right, and as you get to like the last of the rubber band, I'm actually gonna tuck it up like this, so I didn't pull it all the way through so that it looks like this. All right, so now I'm gonna work on my baby hair. I'm just throwing some gel, kind of pull them out with my finger. Taking my baby hair brushes. It's also by Lovely Bees. Girl, shout out to Lovely Bees. I love her. But yeah, just do your baby hairs how you desire. You can literally do your whole forehead or, you know, whatever you want. But you know me, I just do a little something right here. Also use this edge brush to like perfect my little slick down just in case I need to. It's just more detailed, so I like to use it for that. All right, now I'm gonna take some of my Got To Be spray and like just make sure that this part is like nice and hard, not hard, but like it has just a little coating of hairspray on it so that it just stays as frizz free. You know, just make sure it's good. And I like wipe it down like this just so that it kind of soaks in and it doesn't get like crispy. It just gets nice and firm. All right, so I'm gonna take this like piece of leggings that I cut up. People always ask me like, oh, what do you use to tie your hair down with? Girl, anything. Okay, if I don't wear it and I don't use it and it's like the right material, like legging material or t-shirt material, I'm cutting it up and I'm making it a scarf. Like I think one day I couldn't find my scarf and I was like, what the heck am I gonna do? I was probably in a rush or something to get somewhere and I just had a t-shirt, or what did I do at first? Oh, it was a pair of leggings that I just wasn't using, and I was like, you know what, let me cut this up and use it as a scarf. And I took it off, my hair was laid. Okay, so I was like, let's cut up the rest of them. And now we can start on attaching the clip-ins. Okay, so the clip-ins I'm using is from Amazing Beauty, and you already know I worked with them before. I literally love their clip-ins. Like my other set still looks brand new. I have not even washed them. I've worn them how many times? Like they're not even like dusty or greasy. Like they're literally so I'm gonna have to show you. Hold on. This is my old set, the first set that I got from them, and let me just show y'all. Like they literally never washed them yet, still flowy, still bomb. Love them, like literally love them. So here is how it comes. Just comes like in a nice box like this, and when you open it you get a little like pamphlet. So it says Amazing Beauty, and you basically get like care instructions and return policy, like how to wash it, everything like that. And then of course you get your extensions, and you also get a few little goodies. So you get a comb, which their combs are so fire. Like they're so sturdy, so I love their combs. You get extra little what are these called, like clips, just in case they fall off or whatever, but they're sewn really nicely, so you don't even need to worry about that. And they give you a clip as well. So here they are. These are 160 grams. My 22 inch is 220 grams, I think. I don't know, but I'm going for like a lighter look. I don't want anything too heavy or whatever. So, and these are only 20 inches. So they do come like really nicely wrapped and like tied together. But here's how they look. Nice and sturdy clips, and they just like pop open like this. You insert it into whatever you're about to put it into, and you just snap it back. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the ones. So that means they only have one little clip on it. And I'm actually gonna start like kind of midway. So I'm just gonna clip it, dig it into my braid, and boom, nice and attached. I'm gonna take another one piece and I'm going to put that right on top and just clamp it. All right, so I'm gonna take another one clip. There's 4 of them, so I like to put 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. So I'm basically gonna like flip it upside down like so, and then clip it on the bottom. All right, so now we have 4 of them in. So the other ones are basically just going to wrap around. So now I go in with the 3 clips. I actually start at the bottom of the braid. So you're gonna flip it upside down. All right, so I clip it, go around, clip it on the front, and then I go in the back and clip it again a little bit above where I clipped it the first time. I'm basically just going to keep doing the same thing. Also, don't worry if your braid is sticking out. Mine usually just hides in the hair, But if you are concerned about it, you can, before you put the clip-ins or anything like that, when you have your braid, flip it like this and kind of put rubber bands around it and then start the tracks right here. I'm gonna go in with another 3 clip and basically just start from where I left off. So the last one clipped here, so I'm gonna go here and then wrap it around that way. All right, so now I'm gonna start with the 2 clips. And since I put this one going this way, the next one will go this way. All right, I'm taking my 3 clip. This is the last 3 clip. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the other 3 clips. All right, so I took my scarf off so I can really get in there. So I'm gonna take the 4 clip, and I do this one a little bit differently. So I'm gonna take one of the clamps and clamp it in there. Try to make sure it's as flat as possible too. Nice and secure. I closed all the other ones because I'm actually not gonna clamp them. I'm just going to wrap it around. But I wanna make sure that it's close to the base as possible. So that's why I don't clamp them, because they're not going to really clamp into the ponytail holder because it's ponytail holder, it's too thick, so it won't be able to do that. So now that I'm basically at the end and everything is nice and right on my hair, like that's what you want. So I'm going to take the rest of the hair, wrap that bad boy around. All right, once you pulled it over here, just smooth it out. You can use a brush, whatever you need to do, honey. And now we're gonna wrap it around. You want it to be thick, basically like a ribbon. I'm gonna try to like spread it out with my fingers while I wrap it. And once I pull it, every time I pull it over to this side, I'm gonna take some Got2b spray. Now I'm going to keep going. You can use a blow dryer if you want to, but I'm going to use it at the end. But you can do it, you know, in between each wrap just to really get it secure. But I'm going to just do it at the end. So I like to take hair pins instead of bobby pins. This one doesn't hurt my head as much, so that's why I like to use these. And I'm just gonna slide that right where that little piece was, like the end piece. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my why do I keep trying to say air blower? But it is an air blower, but air dryer. So air dryer, hair dryer. What am I saying? Girl, this corona, this cabin fever got me going crazy, y'all. Okay, but I'm gonna take my hair dryer, blow dryer, that's what it is, a blow dryer. Okay, look, this thing right here, and I'm going to put it on cool. That ain't cool. Put it on cool, and I'm gonna take more of this. Yes, I know, girl, this thing is almost empty. I love this. So I'm gonna take more of this and spray that one more time, and then I'm gonna blow dry on cool to really get it to like just solid. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it, y'all. This is what it looks like. It's really sleek. It's not like super bulky back here either, and with this being only 160 grams, it's way lighter. I actually tried this hairstyle with my 220 grams and it's low-key a little too heavy. Like, whew, the headache was coming, sis. Okay, but I really like how they give you like different weights, just because not a lot of people can handle all that, and especially people with thinner hair, you can definitely benefit from the 160 instead of the 220. So here's how it looks. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I am loving these results. Like, it's literally so sleek, so bomb. So for care, I know a lot of people be asking me, how do you sleep with these hairstyles and blah blah blah. So for this one, I would low-key recommend a do-rag, just because it covers your hair, and then the little hole in the back, you can either wrap the pieces around this to keep it nice and tight, and then put on a bonnet, because this will be hanging out the do-rag. So put on a bonnet to cover the extensions. And make sure you guys watch some other videos, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.